Start.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Chishti. I am Dr. Chishti Said Khadiruddin and I am teaching to BSc third year, paper 15, Classical and Quantum Mechanics. I am starting with chapter 3rd, that is the wave-particle duality, wave-particle duality. In this chapter, we have to study about the de Broglie hypothesis. De Broglie hypothesis. Before this hypothesis, nobody knows about the dual nature of light, that the light has dual nature, particle nature as well as wave nature. For the first time, de Broglie suggested his hypothesis about the dual nature. He said that the nature loves the symmetry and the total energy of universe is in two forms. Total energy of the universe is in two forms, in the form of the matter and in the form of the EM waves. And he used the Einstein's equation as E is equal to mc square and the Planck's equation E is equal to h nu. And he proved that whenever there is a moving particle, then a wave is associated with this moving particle. A wave is associated with this moving particle. When electron is moving, a wave is associated. When a stone is thrown, a wave is associated. When cricket ball is thrown, a wave is associated. These waves are not visible to us, and we can calculate the wavelength of these waves using the de Broglie hypothesis as E is equal to mc square. Put the value of E as h nu equal to mc square, where h is the Planck's constant, nu is the frequency, m is the mass of the electron and mass of the particle or body or electron, and c is the velocity of light. So nu frequency can be written as c by lambda equal to mc square, or h into h upon lambda is equal to mc square, or only mc, 1c will get cancelled, and here you will get lambda is equal to h upon mc. C can be replaced by v, therefore lambda will be equal to h upon mv, and we know that mv is the momentum, so lambda is equal to h upon p. This is known as the de Broglie hypothesis. So if you want to calculate the wave velocity, de Broglie wave velocity, then we can use this formula Vp is equal to nu into lambda. Nu can be calculated from this equation as mc square by h, and lambda can be put as h upon p. Therefore the wave velocity is mc square upon p. With the help of this we can find the wave velocity, de Broglie wave velocity.